Meaning of Hippocratic Oath.
Hippocratic Oath.
Hippocratic Oath.
Hippocratic Oath.
Hippocratic Oath. The Hippocratic Oath is an ancient pledge taken by doctors, originating from ancient Greece. It outlines the ethical duties of physicians to their patients, such as promising to do no harm, maintaining patient confidentiality, and avoiding willful malpractice. The oath serves as a foundation for medical ethics and professionalism, and has been updated over time to reflect modern medical practice. Although it is not mandatory, many medical schools require their graduates to take some form of the oath before beginning their practice. Overall, the Hippocratic Oath represents a commitment by doctors to uphold high standards of integrity and care.